This video is to demonstrate how to make questions within OpenOChem. We're in the Moodle interface. We need to be in the OpenOChem interface, but we don't actually need to add a new activity because that's not what we're doing right now. So we'll pick one of these OpenOChem links, and it doesn't matter which one because I'm not really going to pay attention to that activity. What I'm going to do is click New Question. The kind of question I'm going to build is a 2D structure question, which is the kind of question I mostly use. When you give a title, it's important to give one that is descriptive. This is not what the students see, this is what you'll see when you are looking through the question list. On the question category, I'm going to pick the Jennifer Musica category, the first one. There's several of them because I've been using this for a long time. And I'm also going to click the share button because I would like to share my question with the rest of the OpenOChem community. The shared questions aren't shared immediately. They're put into a holding box so that they can be viewed and approved by somebody on the leadership group. I'm on the leadership group, so maybe mine get shared immediately. I don't think so. But I'm responsible for approving the shared videos, shared questions. Question text. Predict the product for the reaction shown. And I put multiple products to be vague, and so the students don't know if there's supposed to be one or if there's supposed to be more than one. So here is my reaction. Notice when I write nitric acid here that the interface magically subscripts the things that need to be subscripted. That is nice. Okay. So that looks like an acceptable structure. I pick OK. Now I'm going to click Insert and only click Insert once. You can see barely it went into the question text. Close this. There is my question. Now I'm going to go to Tags and pick aromatics, directing groups, and aromatics, reactions of. Resource tags is your textbook, so you can look up all the things related to a certain textbook in your a certain chapter in your textbook, but we're not using the Clayton text and my text isn't here, so I'm not going to worry about that. Answers. In my answers, I will put both of the isomers that form both the ortho and the para. So I click this like I'm going to put a substituent and pick subgroup, and nitro is one of the subgroups, so it shows up there. It looks like these are in alphabetical order. Maybe, sort of. Okay, so answer 1, retrieve from editor both the ortho and the para product. That is good. Now I'm going to delete one of them. And answer 2 is here. Retrieve from editor. I'll give them half credit for only having one. And my feedback, I'll say, what about that other product that forms? And now I'm coming back up here to the answer editor, and I will put in the ortho product. Add another answer, retrieve from editor, ortho is worth half the points. And then to the answer editor, and we'll put in meta. So one of the nice features of OpenOChem is that it allows you to have multiple correct answers, multiple fully correct answers, multiple partially correct answers, and feedback around them. Is methyl okay, so there is my question, and I don't usually give general feedback, just the question specific feedback. I don't usually pick any question specific options. But now I'll pick save, and it's gonna show me the list of questions. There's the new question I just built and the list, and it says shared pending review.